Your Samsung Smart TV could be keeping a closer eye on you than you realize. The internet-connected television can fulfill your TV whims with just a voice command. But as the Daily Beast first reported, the TV could be recording your sensitive conversations too. And on top of all of that, Samsung can share the information with third-party services.
Secret documents show how the CIA have turned TVs into bugging devices.
That the last thing on our minds is that these very appliances could be dropping eaves on our private conversations.
But Shelley, there have been stories recently of crimes that have been committed across the country where there's concern about maybe even subpoenaing these things, or perhaps that there is some sort of audio data on this device that could be useful in a court case.
But Danielle told us via Skype that 2 weeks ago, their love for Alexa changed with an alarming phone call.
The person on the other line said, "Unplug your Alexa devices right now."
That person was one of her husband's employees calling from Seattle. Danielle says her Amazon device in her Portland home recorded a private conversation and sent that recording to a random contact, which happened to be the employee in Seattle. Danielle unplugged all the devices.
It was one of these that sent it.
And it's a line in the Samsung Smart TV Privacy Policy Supplement. It says, please be aware that if your spoken words include personal or other sensitive information, that information will be among the data captured and transmitted to a third party through your use of voice recognition.
Consider this, for instance, that in 2012, a team of researchers from a firm called Rovoln, based in Malta, managed to hack a similar smart TV and access the device's built-in camera and microphones, effectively turning TV viewers into the ones being watched. In a video, the company's hackers added that quote, "We can install malicious software to gain complete root access to the TV."
Once the app's installed, it makes it look like your TV is off when it's actually on.
We've infected it with malware, and now we've got a microphone here that listens to anything you say.
Hello, is anyone listening?
As a user, you provide Facebook with a lot of useful information. And it's not just what you list on your profile. Everything you click, post, or comment on is used to infer things about you, like your family status or your politics. And these actions are turned into ad targeting attributes.
But cookies are not limited to remembering just your language. In fact, a cookie can contain pretty much any kind of information. It can contain the time you visited a website, or it can contain the items you added to your shopping basket. It can even contain all the links you clicked on a certain website, much like leaving a breadcrumb trail on the internet.
The latest technology has turned on new ways to monitor people. But the debate over what that means for all our privacy is not one that's going to be turned off.
Okay, here's the truth. Yes, Jimmy, I record everything you say. And for the last time, no, you cannot eat shampoo.
Wait a minute, even if it smells
Even if it smells like coconut.
Oh, okay.